Did you know the number one reason people end up paying a mechanic $500 for what should have been a $50 repair isn't because the repair is complicated. It's because they didn't own the right tool. Seriously, one specialized tool can save you hundreds, sometimes thousands, over the life of your vehicle. And today, we're proving exactly that. We're counting down the top 6 best value-for-money car tools you can grab right now on Amazon. These tools punch way above their price tag. Some protect your interior, some save you from roadside disasters, and one of them might literally save your life. We're going from DIY garage upgrades all the way to emergency must-haves. And trust me, our number one pick is something every driver should own. All the links are in the description. Let's get started. 6. 19-piece trim removal tool set, the Interior Protection Specialist. Let's start with a tool that saves you from one of the most annoying DIY mistakes imaginable, destroying your own interior while trying to fix something. The 19-piece trim removal tool set exists for one reason: to stop people from using screwdrivers, butter knives, and random metal tools to pry apart trim panels. And trust me, that usually ends terribly. Scratched dashboard panels, broken clips, damaged paint, cracked door trim, and suddenly your cheap DIY repair becomes a very expensive cosmetic nightmare. This kit solves that problem beautifully. You get multiple nylon pry tools with different angles and shapes designed for dashboards, radio panels, door trims, clips, moldings, and delicate interior pieces. That variety matters because modern cars have ridiculously tight panel gaps. One universal pry tool usually doesn't cut it. The nylon construction is where the real value shows up. These tools are strong enough to pry stubborn panels loose, but soft enough to avoid scratching soft-touch plastics and painted trim pieces. That's a huge advantage over metal alternatives. You also get specialized clip pliers and fastener removers. Those pliers alone make this kit worth buying because pulling stubborn clips manually is a nightmare. Compared to paying a shop for stereo installs, dashcam wiring, LED upgrades, or trim repairs, this tool pays for itself incredibly fast. If you love DIY upgrades, this is essential. 5. XPCARE 2-pack Safety Hammer, the Emergency Escape Beast. Next up is something no driver ever wants to use, but every driver should own. The XPCARE 2-pack Safety Hammer is built for worst-case scenarios. Car submerged in water, doors jammed after an accident, seatbelt stuck, windows won't break. This tool becomes your emergency exit plan. It features a hardened tungsten steel tip for breaking tempered side windows quickly. It also includes a built-in seatbelt cutter that slices through jammed belts fast. That combination alone makes it incredibly valuable. The anti-slip grip design is another huge plus. In a panic situation, your hands may be shaking, wet, or injured. A slippery handle becomes dangerous. This one avoids that issue. And the biggest advantage? It comes as a 2-pack. That means one can stay near the driver, the second can stay near passengers. That dramatically increases your odds during emergencies. Compared to smaller keychain escape tools, this offers more striking power and easier leverage. It's simple: grab, swing, escape. For the price, this is outstanding peace of mind. 4. Resqme Emergency Escape Tool, the Always With You Lifesaver. The Resqme Emergency Keychain Car Escape Tool completely changed vehicle safety tools. And honestly, its biggest strength is accessibility. Unlike large safety hammers that can get tossed around during crashes, this stays attached to your keys. That means it's always nearby. That alone gives it a major advantage. It includes 2 critical tools, a seatbelt cutter and a spring-loaded window breaker. The spring-loaded design is genius. Instead of requiring a full swing like traditional hammers, you simply press it against tempered glass. The internal spring mechanism does the rest. That makes it far easier for injured drivers or people trapped in awkward positions. Compared to the XPCARE hammer, it sacrifices raw force, but wins massively in portability. And if a safety tool isn't accessible during emergencies, it's useless. That's why this ranks so high. 3. 200-piece nylon cable tie buckle set, the hidden DIY hero. This might be the least flashy product on today's list, but it saves DIY car owners massive headaches. The 200-piece nylon universal cable tie buckle set helps secure wiring professionally, and messy wiring is a massive issue. Loose wires create rattles, electrical shorts, broken connections, ugly installations, future repair nightmares. This kit solves all of that. Unlike normal zip ties, these include mounting pins that lock directly into factory mounting holes. That creates a much cleaner installation, perfect for dashcam wiring, stereo installs, lighting upgrades, backup cameras, electrical repairs. The UV-resistant nylon design also handles heat far better than cheap zip ties, and with 200 pieces included, you'll have enough for multiple projects. It's cheap, practical, and incredibly underrated. 2. Portable cordless car vacuum, the cleaning monster. A dirty car feels terrible, and weak handheld vacuums make cleaning even worse. That's why the portable cordless car vacuum stands out. Its biggest selling point? Massive suction power. This thing handles pet hair, dust, sand, food crumbs, deep carpet debris, and all those annoying crumbs hiding between seats. Unlike weak budget vacuums that barely clean surface dirt, this actually pulls embedded debris out. You also get multiple attachments for vents, crevices, upholstery, and tight spaces. And the dual battery setup is a huge advantage. Most cordless vacuums die halfway through cleaning. This one keeps going. Yes, it's louder than weaker models, but the cleaning performance makes that trade-off worth it. For anyone obsessed with clean interiors, this is a huge win. 1. 4. Portable tire inflator, the ultimate value champion. Taking the top spot is easily one of the smartest car tools you can own. The Y34 portable tire inflator air compressor solves a problem every driver eventually faces: low tire pressure. And that problem usually happens at the worst possible time: late at night, before work, during road trips, or miles away from gas stations. This tool completely removes that stress. Its 10,000 milliamp hour battery allows cordless use. That alone is incredibly convenient. But here's what makes it number one. It also works through your car's 12-volt outlet. That dual power design is huge. Forgot to charge it? No problem. Still usable. That reliability beats most competitors immediately. It also inflates significantly faster than older portable compressors. And the digital display with auto shutoff makes everything easy. Set your PSI, press start, done. No guesswork, no overinflation. The built-in emergency LED light is another fantastic bonus for nighttime roadside emergencies. Compared to every other tool on this list, this one delivers daily practicality, emergency preparedness, fuel savings, and tire safety. That makes it the ultimate value pick. Final verdict. Let's break it down. Best DIY tool, 19-piece trim removal tool set. Best emergency hammer, XPCARE 2-pack safety hammer. Best portable escape tool, Resqme emergency keychain car escape tool. Best wiring tool, 200-piece nylon universal cable tie buckle set. Best cleaning tool, portable cordless car vacuum. Best overall value, portable tire inflator air compressor. And honestly, if you only buy one tool today, make it the tire inflator. It's the one you'll probably use the most. Drop your favorite in the comments. And if this saved you from wasting money at a repair shop, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.